In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your PS5 turning off by itself. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now there's a few different reasons why your PS5 might be turning off by itself. The very first thing could be overheating, but we're also going to run through some other settings before we get into the overheating segment. So if we go over to settings like so, you're going to see a lot of different things. We can go over to screen and video. So what you could do is go over to screen under screen and video, and you're going to see dim screen while inactive. What you want to do is don't dim, and that way there's not going to be like any power saving thing. It's not going to like automatically turn off or anything like that. Then go over to system like so, and you're going to see a lot of different options. What we're going to do is go to power saving like so, and it's going to say set time until PS5 enters rest mode. I have it on don't put in rest mode, but you might have it on like 1 hour, 20 minutes, anything like that. So, it's going to basically automatically turn off if you have that setting on. And then you can also, turn off set time until controllers turn off as well. But anyways, now getting into the overheating segment. Now your PS5 and your PS5 Pro have a fail-safe where whenever it gets too hot, it's automatically going to shut off just so it doesn't damage any of the hardware. So basically, if you're overheating, that's not obviously a good sign. So what you want to do, there's some immediate quick fixes you can do. The first thing is improve your placement. For example, if your PS5 is on the floor, maybe it's on carpet, you definitely don't want to keep it there. You want to elevate it to make sure it gets enough airflow. So have it at least 4 inches or 10 centimeters of space around all the sides of the console. Make sure too many things aren't around it, and avoid keeping it in closed cabinets or on carpets, like I said, which trap heat. If you also can, if you're using your PS5 vertically, switch it horizontally instead, and that can also help with internal heat distribution and airflow. And then also, what you can also do is on your PS5, go over to settings, and then go to save data and game/app settings, like so, and then go over to game presets, and then switch to performance mode. So instead of going from game default, do performance mode and not resolution mode, and that should definitely help with any overheating issues you're having as well. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Now if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.